Hey everyone. I hope you well. Today we will discuss about climate change. Introduction between Sarah and Fahad. Let's start.
Hi Fahad, nice to meet you. I'm Sarah, an environmental studies student. I'm passionate about climate change issues.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. I'm Fahad, an engineering student. Climate change is indeed a pressing concern. What sparked your interest in environmental studies?
Growing up, I witnessed severe droughts and floods in my hometown. I realized the impact of human activities on the environment and wanted to make a difference.
In this section, they will discuss about climate change. That's inspiring. As an engineer, I'm interested in sustainable solutions. Have you been following the recent IPCC reports?
Yes, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change reports are alarming. The 1.5 degrees Celsius target seems daunting. What are your thoughts on it?
We need drastic reductions in greenhouse gas emissions. Renewable energy, energy efficiency, and carbon capture technologies are crucial.
Absolutely. Carbon pricing and policy changes can drive innovation. What role do you think individuals play in mitigating climate change?
Every small action counts. Reducing meat consumption, using public transport, conserving water. Collective action leads to significant impact.
Education and awareness are vital. How can we encourage more people to take action?
Sharing accurate information, highlighting success stories, and building a global movement demanding urgent climate action.
Climate justice is often overlooked. How can we ensure vulnerable communities are protected?
We must prioritize climate resilience and adaptation in developing countries, support climate refugees, and advocate for inclusive climate policies.
Climate change affects biodiversity, too. What can we do to preserve ecosystems?
Conservation efforts, reforestation, and sustainable land use practices are essential. Protecting natural carbon sinks like forests and oceans is critical. In this section, they will find out the challenges and solution for climate change.
International cooperation is key. What role do governments and corporations play?
Governments must implement policies supporting a low-carbon economy, while corporations should invest in sustainable technologies and practices.
Economic concerns often hinder climate action. How can we balance economic growth with sustainability?
We need to redefine economic growth, prioritizing sustainable development and social welfare alongside GDP. It will be a last section about discussion of climate change.
It's clear that climate change requires immediate attention and collective action. What gives you hope for the future?
Seeing young people like Greta Thunberg and climate activists demanding action inspires me. Collective action can drive meaningful change.
I share your optimism. We must continue advocating for climate action and supporting sustainable initiatives.
Absolutely. Every conversation, every action counts. Let's work together towards a sustainable future.
Well said, Fahad. It was enlightening discussing climate change with you.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. And subscribe for more videos like this. Till then, take care.